Hi guys, just wanted to do a quick instructional video on how to fit our plates that we sell on the website, #66.com. So these are replacement for the OEM parts that go there that often rust. So what I've done is, as you can see, it lines up with this hole here. So I've placed it where it needs to be, and I've marked out with a pen, as you can see, where I'm going to drill. What I use is 6mm holes. So I'll drill the 6mm holes and then we'll weld through them. So I'll show you how that's done. So what I've done before I've done all this is I put some edge primer, just a light coat, on the car and just on the back side of here, just to give it a bit of protection, because obviously the metal to metal is going to rust later. That's what I do. So now I'm going to drill the 6mm holes where I've marked them. So here goes. So with that all done, ready to go back to the car. So now we're back at the car. Just one thing that I do is just clean these edges up a little bit here, just to give you, so you've got no burrs on the back side. Line it up where you want to be, and then what I do is do the two edges first. And then do all the others.